Virtual reality has grown rapidly in recent years, with consumer headsets making immersive and interactive experiences more accessible than ever. These experiences often take place in large virtual worlds, but in reality, users are usually confined to a space that's only a few meters wide. This creates a challenge. How can we let people move naturally and still keep them inside the tracked area? Two common solutions are teleportation, where you instantly jump to a new spot, and joystick locomotion, where you move continuously using a controller. Our project looked at how these familiar techniques can be combined with redirected walking, a method that subtly adjusts how real movement maps to the virtual world. These adjustments, called gains, can slightly scale how far you walk, rotate your direction a little more or less than you actually turn, or curve your path while you think you're walking straight. In our case, these gains are applied very subtly to guide participants into the right position to interact with physical props, such as an axe, a potion, or a gem, so that virtual actions line up with real objects. The first system is free teleportation with redirected walking. Here participants use a controller array to teleport anywhere they choose, which feels natural and flexible. After landing, small translation and rotation gains are applied as they walk a few steps, nudging them closer to the correct position for interacting with props. This helps with alignment, but because landings are unconstrained, the available walking distance after teleport can sometimes be too short for effective redirection, making prop encounters less reliable. The second system is fixed point teleportation with redirected walking. Instead of teleporting anywhere, participants land on visible paths that define consistent positions and orientations based on where the users are in reality. From there, the system applies translation and rotation gains as they approach a prop, ensuring that their physical stance aligns with the virtual interaction. Because landings are controlled, this system gives more reliable results for prop encounters. The third system is joystick locomotion with redirected walking. Participants move continuously through the environment using a controller. When they near a prop, a purple marker guides them to the right position. To keep this experience comfortable, only translation gains are applied, no rotation or curvature gains. While this method provides smooth movement, it is also more likely to cause simulator sickness compared to teleportation. Each system shows a different balance of comfort, freedom, and accuracy. Free teleportation gave flexibility but less reliable alignment. Fixed point teleportation provided more consistent prop encounters and comfort, and joystick locomotion allowed immersive, continuous exploration but increased the risk of discomfort. By comparing these approaches, our project shows how combining familiar locomotion methods with redirected walking can make small VR spaces feel larger while enabling convincing interactions with real physical props.